This video will cover the installation of the M17 Dvorak recoil kit into a full-size M17, or in our case, civilian P320. The installation is the same. So we will start with our stripped factory weapon. We will take our slide, install our Dvorak barrel, and the factory Sig recoil spring rod. We will then place our slide assembly onto our frame with the takedown lever in the vertical position. Lock it back and ensure that our takedown lever stays vertical. We will take the Dvorak installation tool and place it under the recoil spring rod, ensuring that it lines up with the flats on the recoil spring rod, and those flats line up with those on the tool. This is very important because we will hold this tool and apply pressure upward on the rod to ensure that it is positively seated as we release this slide lock. If need be, once we're in this position, you can reorient this horizontally to ensure that it is properly seated. At this time, this tool releases the pressure off of the barrel, the spring pressure, which allows us to move the barrel out of the way of this pin in the trigger group. We can then take our Dvorak tailpiece and install it pin side first, lay it onto the bar, lay it into place, position it with our finger to ensure that it stays level, and mate the barrel with the tailpiece. At this time, we will take and lock our slide in the lock back position again, and our tool will fall out. Take down lever in the horizontal position as we push on the barrel. And the Dvorak P320 M17 full-size kit is assembled. In this video, we will be disassembling the M17, or in our case, P320 full-size Dvorak recoil kit. The P320 civilian and the M17 installation and disassembly is the same. So we will take out our magazine, lock our slide into the lock back position, place our takedown lever in the vertical position. We'll take our P320 M17 full-size assembly disassembly tool and place it underneath the spring rod. We want to ensure that we place the flats of the spring rod on the flat part of the tool. We will apply pressure upward to positively seat the tool on the rod. There we go. And we will release the slide. This takes the pressure off of the barrel and tailpiece and puts it all on the tool and allows us to move the slide freely, which will allow us to pull the barrel off the tailpiece. As we notice, the barrel and tailpiece are joined together. This allows the tailpiece to ride up and bind on the pin that it rests on. We want to take our finger and push downward on the tailpiece to fully seat the tailpiece, which allows us to pull the barrel away from the tailpiece. At this point, we can just simply turn our weapon over, shake out our tailpiece, lock the slide in the lock back position again. Our tool will be free. We can release the slide and disassemble the weapon.